Hey y'all, so today we're a little further south in the RGV, right here in beautiful Brownsville, Texas, checking out a brand new construction home that's got bold style and modern touches all the way through. My name is Talice, your McAllen Realtor, and every week I'm out touring homes just like this one, and I get calls from people just like you looking to buy in McAllen, Brownsville, or anywhere else in the Rio Grande Valley. We are at 2605 South Neal Street. Let's go inside and take a look. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, listed at just $269,000. You've got a dedicated office space right near the front, perfect for working from home or a quiet study area. This open concept layout feels bright and spacious with tile floors throughout that give it a clean, modern look. All right, let's go check out this beautiful property. I really like the curb appeal of this property. It looks different from every other house on the block. You tend to see a lot of cookie cutter homes. This one has a special look to it. It stands out. You got a 1-car garage, it looks like. I love this red door, something that you don't see too often. Like this look up here as you enter. Very nice architecture. Got a very large red door. This door is huge and it's beautiful. All right, and as we enter here, you've got a very open floor plan. Very, very high ceilings. Wow. There you go. Quite an open floor plan here. Nice, beautiful space. You've got your kitchen area over here, and then your dining area. Love these cabinets over here. Love this backsplash you've got over here. Nice white cabinets. Got a large island in that burgundy look, matching the front door and the garage door. Very nice. Beautiful large countertop here. Nice sink. Love it. Let's go check out the pantry. Nice size pantry. Walk in here. Nice. A lot of cabinets you've got here. The dining area, nice little dining area here. Got sliding doors to go outside. You got a decent sized backyard. It's not fenced though, so you'll have to build a nice little fence out there. But overall, it's nice. Let's go check out some of these bedrooms here. So this is your office space / study. Very beautiful. Love the lighting in here. Nice window. So it's a nice little spot here. If you have a home office like I do, you spend some time in the home office like I do, it definitely is a nice spot to have in the house. Next up, we've got your first bedroom. Very large. Very large. And you've got a walk-in closet in this one. A lot of space with built-ins. Love these built-ins. A lot of natural light in here as well. Next you got your bathroom. Let's check it out. So, got a shelving there, and got a nice little sink, large mirror. I love this lighting as well. And then you got this beautiful shower here. Love this color. Floors matching the walls. Love that. This is your second bedroom here. Also quite large. Love this tile flooring. Looks like wood, but it's not. It's actually tile. This is a large window that gets you a lot of natural light in this room. It takes out most of the wall up here. And then you've got your walk-in closet here. Also with the built-ins. You've got a little window here. Stained glass window in the closet. Gives you a little bit of light coming in. Like that. Next up, let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. Before we do it, let's check out this laundry room. So you got a nice laundry room with a lot of storage space. It's very nice. Like this flooring here. You got a nice little sink here. I like it. All right, without further ado, let's look at this primary suite. So, same flooring as the rest of the house. The brownish tiles. A lot of natural light in here as well. Okay, and all three of the rooms have a ceiling fan, which I do like. This is very spacious. A lot of room in this master suite. I like it. So as you walk in here, you do see the shower first. It's a little bit different, but I kind of like it, actually. Then you have your his and hers sinks. And the mirror that takes up the entire wall here. Like that. And you've got really like the homes with the rainfall shower heads. I really love that. Very nice. I like this dark shower. I like this interior. This tile that they use for there. Very nice. I like that. And then your walk-in closet in here. Nice size closet. Also with built-ins. And you've got your AC on it. Overall, I do like this closet. Like the built-ins already in here. This is large. Look at that. Really like that. So you don't have to buy a dresser, but it comes with one. So this countertop matches the rest of the house. They use the same one for all the counters, and I love that uniformity all the way around. So this was the property. It's 1,623 square feet, so quite large. Right outside and take a look here. It's got a nice little patio. Thing is, you've got train tracks back here, but it's not too often that you do get these trains that pass. So yeah, build you a nice little wall here, nice little fence here for some privacy, and you're good. If you want to tour this property or any other property in the RGV, give me a call or shoot me a text at 956-300-4343. Email me at brysell@outlook.com. I'd love to give you a tour of this property or any other property in Brownsville, McAllen, and the entire RGV area. I thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a blessed day.